lift at the Art Centre in Dungarvan, Waterford, Ireland. This is the generic lift, industrial logistics. Okay, flight second here. I think this is hydraulic. Yeah, it's hydraulic. Here at one. The level's pretty good as a pre-door. Back down to ground. I'm not sure what kind of buttons these are. Kone maintains it, or at least they did at one time. Lift number, I don't know if the 99 means 999 or if that means something else. The basic cab, cheap metal, white. Good thing I'm older than that. Here back at ground. This one. Interesting. I'll just stay in here. How's that one good?